Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how to fix freezing issue on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. There are many reasons that might cause freezing issue on Windows 11. However, there are some quick and simple troubleshooting method that you can try out to fix it. So first, start with running system scan. To perform a system scan, simply on the search option, search for cmd and open command prompt as administrator. So here we have our command prompt. Here you have to run a simple command, that is sfc /scan now, and hit enter, and it will perform a system scan. So wait until the verification process complete. If the freezing issue is due to corrupted system file, then sfc scan will fix the issue. After completing sfc scan, you can run a disk scan. Sometimes the disk in which Windows 11 is installed might also cause freezing issue. To fix it, simply run this command: chkdsk c:/f/r. When you run this command, it says your system to check C drive, and after completing the scan, reboot your system. After that, if you're still facing freezing issue on your Windows 11, then you can reduce your monitor resolution. For that, simply click on Start button, open Settings. Here click on System, then click on Display, and from the Display Resolution drop down, select lower resolution than the recommended one and check if the freezing issue has been fixed or not. If you are still facing freezing issue, then there might be issue with your RAM. For that, you can simply run memory diagnostic. On the search option, search for memory diagnostic and it will open Windows memory diagnostic tool. Here simply click on restart now and check for problem. If the freezing issue is due to RAM, it will fix the error. After restarting a system, you can also check your RAM uses. For that, right click on taskbar. Here select Task Manager and go to Performance tab and click on Memory and check for the memory uses. If the memory uses is high, then you need to upgrade your RAM. If this also not fix the issue, then there is a last solution, that is reset your Windows 11 to the default state. For that, simply open Settings, go to Windows Update, then go to Advanced option, then click on Recovery, and here you will find Reset this PC option. Here simply click on Reset PC. If you want to remove all your personal files, apps and settings, then you can go with Remove Everything, or you can simply click on Keep My Files. And here select Cloud Download. When you select Cloud Download, it will download the latest version of Windows operating system without any corrupted file. Then follow the on-screen instruction to reset your system. So that's it. These are the few quick and simple methods that you can try out to fix freezing issue on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.